Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook yam porridge. This porridge is suitable for both kids and adults. Hope you can enjoy it. So now let's start. We first need to prepare some mushrooms and carrots. Chop them into small dices. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the mushrooms and carrots into the pan and stir fry for a short time. Add some water and half teaspoon of salt. Now we can prepare the yam. Peel it, cut it, and smash it. When the water boils, put the yam into the pan. When it boils again, switch to small fire. Now crack 2 eggs and put it into the pan. In the end, chop some bok choy and scallion. Add them into the pan too. Cook until the bok choy becomes soft. Turn off the fire and it is ready. This porridge is very healthy and tasty. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys in the next episode.